Hi, I'm Jackie. When you buy the wireless alarm system from us, you will get 2 remote controls in the standard pack. This is white color remote controls, and if you dislike it, we can also offer you another wireless remote control runs for 3 MHz. This remote control has the slide cover design. Here I'm gonna pair the remote control with the wireless alarm panel. Navigate to the program and delete. OK. The default zone is 0000, so we click OK. Choose program. Now press the disable remote button on the remote control 2 times. So it shows me success. So now I can control the alarm panel. On the alarm panel, disarm the alarm panel, home on the alarm panel, stay on the alarm panel, or disarm the alarm panel, or even trigger the public alarm. Disarm the alarm panel. That's all. Thank you.